On Friday, Parliament passed the Excise Duty Amendment Bill providing for 0.5% tax on mobile cash withdrawals. This is Karyeija, a Kampala suburb with people of different walks of life with varying incomes. However, low-income earners are the majority here. Those in the business of mobile cash transactions say the bulk of their transactions they perform are in small amounts ranging from 10,000 to 50,000 shillings. 28-year-old Robert Imani Raguha runs a mobile cash booth in Karyeija. This has been his only source of livelihood for 3 years. He says transactions have significantly declined since the 1% tax came into effect on 1st July. He has no hope even after Parliament reduced the tax rate to 0.5%.
For example, now, if you are attending some customers, they can come and he or she asks you, if I'm sending like 2 million, how much do I have to pay? When you explain to him or her, like it's like something like 20,000, then he tells you, I cannot pay all that money. I rather get a border and I take the money to the person whom I was sending the money to.
A public policy and management expert, Dr. Gerald Karyeija, argues that the majority MPs from the ruling NRM party who supported the tax could pay the political price in the next election since the tax is unpopular.
It will partly inform voter behavior when the members of parliament are going for elections. 2, it will increase on also on it can be a running point, especially for the opposition, to use it against, because this is what you would call a regressive tax.
A day before the bill was passed, President Museveni met the NRM Parliamentary Caucus at State House in Entebbe, where he cajoled them to support his stand for the bill.
If there is no clearer explanation that is acceptable to the population, then it may cost the president himself some votes during election time.
A tax lawyer believes the new mobile cash tax will have negative impact on the economy.
The mobile money is or has done what banks have failed to do for 100 years. They have banked so many people in a very short period of time. Okay, so that means people save, people use the money to invest, and it creates a stream of income which government can therefore tax after that. So with the reduction of that expense, the ripple effect is on the economy.
The Mobile Money Association in Kampala is contemplating legal redress if the president signs the Act of Parliament into law.
The companies and with the agents, we have to meet and find means of going to court. We shall not leave it just like that, just because the NRM MPs betrayed their voters.
The government is targeting to get at least 115 billion shillings from the 0.5 mobile money tax in order to widen its tax base. However, it remains a waiting game to see how much impact it will have on the politics and also the economy, plus how government will deal with this paradox. Sidil Biarhanga, NTV Karyeija.